Hook, you just got your shiny new Relay card. It's sleek, it's modern, and it promises to revolutionize your spending. But there's just one problem: you have no idea how to activate it. Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people have found themselves staring at their new card, wondering where to start. Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Relay card activation. Let's get started. Building context. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why card activation is even a thing. Essentially, it's a security measure. Banks and financial institutions want to make sure that it's actually you using the card and not someone else. It's like putting a final lock on your digital wallet. Main content, activation methods. Okay, let's get down to business. There are typically two main ways to activate your Relay card. Method 1, online activation. This is usually the quickest and easiest way to go. You'll need your card handy, and you'll probably need to provide some personal information. First, you'll visit the Relay website. Look for a section labeled Activate Card or something similar. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and the security code, the 3 digits on the back. You might also need to verify your identity by answering some security questions or providing additional information. Method 2, phone activation. If you prefer to talk to a real person, or if you're having trouble with the online method, you can try activating your card by phone. You'll find the Relay customer service number on the back of your card or on their website. Be prepared to provide the same information you would for online activation. Troubleshooting common issues. Alright, you've tried to activate your card, but something's gone wrong. Don't panic. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. Incorrect information. Double check that you're entering the correct card details. A single typo can cause problems. Card not found. Ensure that your card has been issued correctly. Contact Relay customer support if you can't find your card in their system. Activation code issues. If you need an activation code, make sure you're entering it correctly. Some codes are case sensitive. Additional tips. Security first. Always protect your card information. Be wary of phishing attempts and avoid sharing your card details with anyone. Check your mail. Sometimes, you might receive a PIN or activation code in the mail. Keep an eye out for it. Contact Relay support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Relay's customer support. They're there to help. Wrapping up. Activating your Relay card might seem like a small step, but it's an important one. Once it's activated, you're ready to start enjoying the benefits of your new card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.